Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Yawa Sante, founder of KHLEEKO, and I'm here at Haby's Fashion, and we are urging everybody in the midst of this COVID-19 pandemic, please stay home. It can save lives. Now, I'm here at Haby's Fashion, located in Brooklyn, New York, to showcase some of the masks that are available to customers who are interested in protecting themselves and others. So let's go take a look at some of the goods that's being produced right here in Brooklyn, New York.
Champion.
So we're here in Haby's Fashion, watching one of the masks get made right now, and I just want to ask Ali, the guy who's actually making a mask, what's so different about the mask that you're making compared to, let's say, the N95 or the surgical mask that's being worn by most people in America here today?
As you can see, we have three different layers in the mask. We have two materials together and we have one filter. And one thing good about this mask, you can use it and you can use it again as long the coronavirus stay. You can always use. You can wash it and use it again. You can steam it and use it again.
Now the other masks, let's say the surgical mask, those are one-time use. N95, you can only use it for a couple of days, but this one you're saying you can always wash it, reuse it, and make sure you're staying protected. So I'm here with the man of the hour, Haby. I just want to ask you, why did you start creating masks?
First of all, when this thing started the first day, people were telling me, Haby, why you cannot make a mask? Why you cannot do this? What a lot of people were saying. And then there was running to the store, everything is out. And then I said, oh, that's my community, just let me help. So I make one for myself, and the supermarket also was close to us. The guy come and see one and say, why you cannot make me one? And from there, I'm making one. Now himself is starting to come and say, can I get Tony for my employee? Can I get Tony every day? That's it. That's how we started. And then we start to make. Now people come into the supermarket and buy, and then they ask, where do you get this one from? Now we start taking orders.
To come and ask you a question, right? This person making a mask, that person's making a mask, that store's making a mask. What makes Haby's Fashion mask so different?
Okay.
You have the filter, you have kid size, but what makes you so different that people should rely on you making a mask?
Okay, I have one of my customers.
Mm-hmm.
When he comes to the store, he comes to pick up his clothes, suit. I make suit for him, pants and shirt. So, and he ordered someone to make a mask for him. So when he opened it, and I saw the mask, those masks, it look like you just put a fabric. You understand? It's not insecure. So when he saw me with my mask, he said, wait a minute. You make the mask? I said, yes. And he said, oh, how do I can get 3,000 right now? Because what I'm making right now is not mask. That's how it's going. I'm working, but I want everybody to get, like a healthy. That's my wish.
So Haby's there for the community. You're there to help. Filters. So as you can see, I got my own custom-made mask here at Haby's Fashion. Put it down so you can hear me a little bit clearly. But this is a great opportunity to make sure that you're taking preventive measures in fighting this global pandemic. So let's continue to do great things in our community. Let's continue to help others. This is KHLEEKO.